Hey guys, today I want to share with you a Dollar Tree DIY that I created for my bedroom, inspired by the Bible verse Corinthians 13, love is. So for this DIY, I used these silver square appetizer plates that you can find in the wedding section at Dollar Tree. And I also used the wall sticker with the love is quote on it. I wanted each plate to have some type of saying or letter on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wall stickers and cut them down by words and by letters so that every plate has something on it. And I'm cutting it before I peel it because it's easier to cut the paper as opposed to cut it after you've peeled the sticky part off of the solid part. As you're cutting the words and the letters out, don't forget to keep this little piece of the wall sticker so that you know how they meant to put on the wall so that you can refer back to it if you need it. Now before you add the stickers to the plates, you want to lay out your plates into the heart shape that you would like. And there's a lot of ways you could play with it. You can make it fatter, you can make it longer. I played with it for a while and came up with this shape because I like the way that this one looked more round. After you find the shape that you want, you then want to lay out your stickers on each plate so that you know where it's going to go once you start sticking down the stickers. I made sure that I did the love letters first, and then I scattered the quotes around the plates to see where I was going to put them. After I've added all the stickers to the plates, I'm now going to glue the plates down to this tag board just using some hot glue. I start off with the letter E plate because I want to make sure that I put it in the center bottom of the tag board. So that way I can arrange the plates around that E so that the heart fits perfectly centered on this tag board. After I was done gluing down all the plates to the tag board, I then took a pair of scissors and a blade that you can also get from Dollar Tree to cut off the excess tag board off the sides of the heart. I just love how this wall decor piece came out. It's such a one-of-a-kind made piece that looks so glamorous in my home, and it didn't cost me that much to make it. And I'm sorry if the video is shaky, guys. I'm actually trying to get footage of this for you guys on my bed as I'm walking on my bed, so I'm kind of wobbling as I am giving you like a video look of it. This quote means so much to me because it was a quote that was actually said at my wedding. Me and my husband got married with the justice of the peace. He actually came to my mom's house and we had a backyard wedding. And this was one of the quotes that he said in our ceremony. And I've always lived by this quote, and I've always cherished this quote because I feel like it is a great quote to have in any foundation in your marriage. And always remember, guys, that love is patient, it is not easily angered, always protects, trusts, hopes, perseveres. It is kind, does not boast, does not envy, love never fails. Corinthians 13. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you guys some ideas on how you can make your house glamorous on a budget. You really do not have to spend a lot to make beautiful pieces for your home. Let me know down in the comments area, you guys, how would you guys take this Love Is wall sticker and create it to your own style and taste? I love getting ideas from you guys. You guys know you guys give me ideas for future DIYs and also give each other ideas. So how would you take this wall sticker and kind of change it up for your style? Don't forget to hit that subscriber button if you're not a subscriber already. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified on all the new videos that I have coming out. And also don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, on my Instagram page and my Facebook page. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.